मान्य सभासदों, मान्य उप सभापति जी।
नमस्कार 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 नमस्कार। If all of you stand, ask point of order, what can I do? Okay, one of you can do. Okay. What is the rule? 236. What is the rule number? Tell me.
सर आज 11 से 11:30 के बीच के अंदर
Let me.
जब यहाँ पर सब लोग है तो अपने
Let me.
बात रख रहे थे उस वक्त पर।
Let me.
सर आप देखिए ना, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना।
Let me understand.
आप देखो सर, मैं इनवैलिड नहीं उठाऊंगा सर उस पे। उस वक्त के ऊपर सब है तो है, यहाँ पर वेल के अंदर गए थे और सुषमा जी ने आपकी परमिशन के बगैर अपना स्टेटमेंट देना चालू किया। मैंने जो आज बिजनेस के अंदर लिस्टेड भी नहीं है, और उन्होंने, मैंने जब चेक किया रिपोर्टर के पास से कि वाकई के अंदर क्या हुआ, तो अरुण जेटली जी ने उनको स्टेटमेंट देने के लिए कहा था आपकी चेहरे और आपकी परमिशन के बगैर, और वो हिस्सा यहाँ का जैसे एक स्टेटमेंट बना। इतना ही नहीं, मीडिया के अंदर है तो चलाया गया, मीडिया में भेजा गया। She didn't lay even that statement here in the house, and it should not become a part of the proceedings of the house, and it should not go out. It is a breach of privilege. It is a breach of privilege, and they are habitually floating the rules. They are habitually floating the rules of this house. Other day, the leader of the house cited the rule number 234 and 236. Under 267, there was, you did not give your ruling. I want your ruling.
Listen.
Hold on a minute. Sir, I want your ruling. It should not become a part of the statement here. Not only that, the notice should be given to all those media people who are running this statement without even becoming a part of the proceedings of this house. In fact, that is done without your permission, and it should be expressed if there is anything. I have checked the record.
What I want to know is...
Sir, I have checked the record.
I heard you.
I have checked the record.
Where did you check? Where did you check the record? Record is not even available to me.
Sir,
no, please. One second. One second.
Ask her to make a statement.
1 second.
Not you.
Record is not even available to me. How could you check the record?
Sorry.
Record. I will allow you. I will call you. Wait. No, Mr. Mistry,
yes.
Record is not even available to me. How did you check the record?
I want to go and ask them what is it. I can, as a member of the house, have every right to get it. Hold on a minute.
Okay, that is a different.
Hold on, listen.
That is a different issue.
Like Mr. Leader of the House on that day, say every notice has to go to them. So is the every notice or every notice has to come to us as well.
I got your point. I got your
Sir,
point. Now.
I want your ruling. It should not become a part of the proceeding of this house. A and B. All those agencies and all those channels who are in fact releasing her statement should be given a notice. It is a breach of privilege.
Okay. Now listen.
Sir, I want your ruling. It is
Okay.
a breach of privilege.
If you want a ruling, you take your seat now.
Sorry, sir.
Now I see. Well, now listen. How do
the leader of the house only cited rule number 234
Yes,
and 235,
I understood.
And they cited under rule number 267. No notice is to be given to each and
No,
everybody.
okay.
Without
Now you stop. You made your
the
point.
leader of the house.
You made your.
Went to the outside, gave a statement,
You made your point.
opened up the channel,
Now you stop.
as well.
Now you stop. Now see, was it a statement or was it reaction to what Mr. Anand Sharma has said? Was it a statement? I don't know whether it was a reaction to what you said. No, listen. No, let me say that. You only raised it now. How can I find out? Listen. But now please, the point is, here, when members raise some point, other members also stand up and say something, sometimes with permission and sometimes without permission. Unless the chair expunge it, many of those things will go on record. And if somebody points out, certainly chair will examine whether it is to be in the record or not. That certainly it will be examined. I agree. But the point, no, listen. But the point, what is this? See, what I am saying is that whether she made a statement or whether she reacted to what Anand Sharma said, I have to examine. Okay. Now let me listen to the minister. Now let me listen to the minister.
She reacted. What Anand Sharma ji is.
Yeah. Now let me listen.
बयान पर उनका
Let me listen to the minister. Let me listen to the minister. I will call. Let me listen to the minister because I want to hear the minister also. Yeah, leave it to the house. Yes, I will allow you. I want to hear both sides. Then only.
Sir, if for 2 weeks,
Please sit down. Let me.
if for 2 weeks unsubstantiated allegations are made against the minister, what is this point being raised that she has no right to get up and even respond to them? Unsubstantiated charges are made against her. She certainly has a right to respond. And the chair must protect her and the chair must give her the right to respond.
What is this? अरे सुनो क्या करते हैं आप लोग? What are you doing?
बोर्ड लाना प्रिविलेज नहीं है, रोज खड़े होकर बोलना बिना अनुमति के प्रिविलेज नहीं है। मिनिस्टर अगर उत्तर दे तो
No,
privilege
please.
है। Start a privilege motion right now.
This is indiscipline. See, this is indiscipline. Speaking and see, you have to speak from your seat. If you come to the passage and speak, it is not permitted. It is indiscipline. You are charging the minister. Minister did something without permission. You are all doing that without permission. Are you doing all this without permission? With permission?
Sir, please restore the dignity of the House. The House should not function as long as these votes go away.
Don't show this. See,
Otherwise, you will have to name the
now
members who
see,
are bringing.
see, honorable members, you are coming to the well indiscipline. You are speaking on the passage of the House indiscipline. You are displaying a board indiscipline. They are all without permission. And you say one member spoke without permission. Where is the sanctity? If you can't do all this, why not she do? Where is the sanctity? Where is the sanctity? You all do this and they cannot do. I will allow you, but make them sit. Make them sit. You can do all this kind of action, they cannot do. If the only charge is that minister spoke without my permission, that I have to look into. But the point is, how can you blame? How can you blame? What you are showing is total indiscipline. How can you blame the minister? Tell me. Tell me. Let her, okay, you have discussion, then you can ask for inquiry. Yeah. Yes. Your own members are creating problem. Let there be discussion. Okay.
उपसभापति
You move your motion. I am ready to allow.
उपसभापति जी, एक बहुत ही तार्किक सवाल उठाया है मिस्त्री जी ने। आप अभी 2 बार
I'll give ruling.
सुन लीजिए सर, अभी आप 2 बार कह चुके कि बिना आपके अनुमति के बोला गया, ये रिकॉर्ड का हिस्सा अभी बन गया है। और क्या बिना आपके अनुमति के कोई सदस्य या मंत्री बोला हो तो वो कार्रवाई का हिस्सा हो सकता है? मैं इस पे आपकी रूलिंग चाहता हूं। आपने अभी 2 बार कहा है कि आपके अनुमति के बगैर मंत्री जी ने बोला है, तो क्या बगैर आपके अनुमति के कोई चीज जो बोली जाए वो कार्रवाई का हिस्सा हो सकती है? मैं इस पे रूलिंग चाहता हूं। रूलिंग
I want to give a ruling. That is why I am listening to the LLP.
श्री प्रमोद
That's,
तिवारी ने,
I'll give you also. After this, yeah.
जो श्री प्रमोद तिवारी ने कहा है
मैं पूरे रूप से उसका समर्थन करता हूं। पिछले 10 दिन से 2 सप्ताह से सुषमा जी के संबंध में जो कहा गया अनुमति के बगैर, उसको कार्रवाई से हटाइए, उनका बयान भी हट जाएगा।
Okay, Anand Sharma, all of you sit down. Yes.
Last 2 weeks should be removed from the
Anand
record.
Sharma. Anand Sharma, yes.
They will be.
Yes.
Sir, the issue is not that simple. And the point of order, therefore, has merit, and the House will benefit, not only today, but for future also, once a ruling comes. Since you had said that I was on my legs in the morning, and it was a response.
It may be, I didn't say that.
Please. No, you didn't say that.
I didn't
Sir,
say that.
It did not come from the chair. But it has come from the Treasury side. I would like to submit, sir. The House has been agitated for reasons which the leader of the House and the government also know. Secondly, sir, once the chair calls the minister to make a statement, particularly because this is one of the issue, it's not a minister and the opposition benches. It is the minister for whom accountability and action notices under 267 have been given. If a statement was listed in the list of business and the chair had permitted, we would not be protesting. Now what has happened, that the statement was made, if you check the records, the leader of the House told that Sushma ji will make a statement now. You check the records. And I would stand corrected if this is not in the record. Now, once this was said, Sushma ji got up. I'm not questioning the right of a minister to make a statement, provided the chair has accepted and the notices have been given. Now, therefore, what happened subsequently, that the media started flashing that Sushma Swaraj has made the statement, and the whole statement was given out. So therefore, it's a question of the privilege of this House. And I would like to say, please allow me, Arunji. I would like to say one thing, sir. Until you have given your ruling and the records have been checked, the Secretariat should give an advisory to the media not to report this. This is my view.
Sir,
I'll give the room. Now please,
sir,
sit down, sit down.
there is no.
आप लोग बैठिए.
Sir,
Take your seat. Take your seat,
after
please.
speaking endlessly for days and days together against the minister, Mr. Anand Sharma now gets up and says, let censorship be imposed on the proceedings of the House and media should not report because the minister is trying to respond. You have made baseless allegations against the minister. You have not.
Now listen to that.
You have not given notice to the minister. And again you get up today and start making the allegations.
Sit down.
The chair has even failed.
See.
The chair has even been unable to.
Now listen. No, listen. Sit down. Sit down, sit down. No, sit down. You sit down. Now see, Mr. Anand Sharma, see, this side heard you in silence. So you hear the leader of the House in silence. Sit down. I want to know what he is saying. If you want a ruling, I want to know what he is saying also. Keep quiet.
अध्यक्ष जी,
Yes.
अगर एक सदस्य के खिलाफ या एक मंत्री के खिलाफ पिछले 2 सप्ताह से रोज आरोप और बेबुनियाद आरोप लगाए जाते हैं और वो मंत्री खड़े होकर कहता है कि मुझे जवाब देने का हक है, तो ये विपक्ष नहीं कह सकता कि मंत्री को जवाब देने का अधिकार नहीं है। अगर सुषमा जी के 3 मिनट के जवाब से हालत इतनी खराब हो गई है तो पूरा जवाब देंगी तो आपकी क्या हालत होगी, अब ये स्पष्ट है।
Okay.
Reiterate that the House is run as per the rule book. When it comes to हालात खराब होना, ये समय बताएगा और आप अपनी याददाश्त ठीक रखें. We have been victims of the baseless and malicious allegations.
Sharma,
that
you
people
have
level
broken
against
every
my
rule
government.
in this rule book.
When we
Is
were in the
carrying
government.
playback provided
Yes.
in this rule book? Is
What-
running to the well of the house
What you
and
did-
preventing a
what you
discussion
did wasn't
mentioned in this rule
provided.
book?
For years,
After violating,
session
after violating every provision of this
you
rule
did.
book, please
But
don't
then
cite
what
the rule book.
Did you have a different rule when you were here? Which rule book were you reading when you were here? Have you
Okay.
forgotten? This is right. What I said the other day. I am worried. This selective and collective loss of memory about your past conduct in this house, and you are giving patronizing servants to the opposition. That's unacceptable. Ruling
You want ruling? If you want ruling, you sit down. If you want ruling, keep quiet. Otherwise, if you want ruling, you keep quiet. Otherwise, I will adjourn the house. See. No, please. Sit down. Bite here, bite here. If you want ruling, sit down. Yeah. See, I want to see, I only want the house, I hope house will agree with me also. See, there is a difference between a response and a statement written, you see. Yeah, there's a difference. That's why I said in the, at the start of the discussion itself, whether it was a response or it was a statement. No, if it has to be a, no please, if it has to be a statement, prior permission should be taken, notice should be given, and copy of the statement should also be given, if it is a statement. Now then, but if it is a response to what was being said here by the members of this side, not only today, and even on the earlier days also, to such a response, certainly a minister has a right. No, let me say, to such a response, a minister or a member, not only minister, a member has a right, because if I, let me complete. You are asking without my permission. Are you doing everything here with my permission? What are you doing? Don't ask such question. You are not allowing me to complete, then what do I do? Why don't you allow me to complete? You cannot speak from there. You have to go to your seat. You cannot speak from there. Let me complete. Let me complete. Mr. Minister. I have not completed.
Rule 238.
I have not completed.
Complete.
Let me complete. Take your seat. Mr. Hanumantrao, take your seat. See, I was only reiterating what has already been said here umpteen times and what is happening in the house. I am only saying that many members stand up and speak, sometimes with permission and even without permission. But what I point out mainly is that if an allegation is made against a minister or any other member, that member or minister has a right to respond. If the allegation is made then and there, minister can respond then and there. But if it is a statement, if the minister intends to make a statement, certainly intimation has to be given and copy of the text has to be given. Since such a notice was not given and copy of the text was not given, so there is no statement as such. Number one. But, no, let me say, no, please. Let me complete. If the minister has responded to the allegation which has been made today and earlier, especially to what has been said here in the form of a motion. Before moving the motion, before moving the motion, Mr. Anis Sharma has said, if it is a response to that, that is something naturally happens. There is nothing to worry about it. You also say that, Minister also say that. Why do you make it an issue? Why do you make it an issue? Why do you make it an issue?
Leader of the House.
No. So leader also say, so what?
Leader of the House. It was not a kind
So
of
what?
spontaneous
Leader of the House has a right to say what he wants to say.
Spontaneous response. It has come.
She didn't
when the
say
leader
that.
of the House
No, no.
has asked her to speak.
Did the minister? I will allow you. I will allow you.
And then
No, he's the person who raised it. So I have to listen to him.
As if performing the duty of a deputy chairman.
Mr. Misri, listen. You are.
Yes, leader of the House was
yeah.
performing
I will
the duty
answer
of
you.
the deputy chairman.
I will answer you.
And ask her to speak.
I will answer you. See, no, I am standing. Sit down. No, I know it. Sit down. See, it is, yes, it is true that the leader of House has said that the Honorable Minister can make a statement. But she didn't say that she is obliged to the leader of the House. Now let me say, no, whether leader of the House said so or whether he has not said so. What I am saying is, a minister or a member, if an allegation is leveled against him or her, has a right to respond. And if she has done in that capacity, why should I worry about that? You said and she responded. Now, if she said, no, listen, if she says, no, listen. Yes, let me complete. If she says that I am making a statement, and also if she gives a copy of that statement available in the form of a statement, and if that is done without my notice, I will take cognizance of that. But here is an allegation about a minister and she responded. Why should I take cognizance of that? There is nothing to take cognizance of that. Many of you are making a statement without my permission. Why do you make it so serious? Baba, you are making allegation against her umpteen times, many days. Why do you worry if she replied? Okay. No, Anis Sharma, I made it clear. See, I made it very clear now that there was no permission given for statement because it was not sought. Text was not given to me. I said that, so there is no statement. But to your allegation, why not she reply? Why do you question that? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
Sir, before that,
Minister is on a first minister. No, he was asking for a point of order.
एक मिनट में जो बोला उसमें आपका ये हाल है, तो अगर वो पूरा बयान देती और पूरा देश को बताती तो आप क्या हाल होता? जब ने इतनी मतवाली तो सुबह का आलम क्या होगा? तो आपकी समस्या, आपकी चिंता हम समझ सकते हैं और आपको जो कुछ चिंता हो रही है वो समझ। अब सर 238 में बहुत स्पष्ट है टू मेक पर्सनल चार्ज अगेंस्ट ए मेंबर, और अगर कोई भी पर्सनल चार्ज मेंबर के अगेंस्ट करता है तो उस मेंबर का राइट है कि वो उसको रिस्पेंड करे। और सुषमा जी ने उस बेसलेस, बेबुनियाद आपके आरोपों का जवाब दिया है, और उस जवाब से आपको अगर इतनी खड़बड़ी है तो जब पूरा जवाब देंगी तो आपका क्या हाल होगा आप समझ सकते हैं।
Yes, what I am calling you, Sri Yechuri. I called after Sri Yechuri. What is Sri Yechuri?
Sir, I have a point. You have said that if the minister has any allegations against him or her, they have the right to speak, to clarify. the same right applies to the members also.
Yes, certainly.
Huh?
Certainly.
Now, I was called by the Honorable Leader of the House saying that I am raising objections in order to get a television opportunity. He said it. He won't deny it.
Yeah.
Now, is that the assessment of the House, sir?
No, not at all.
Huh?
Not at all.
Then is that right or wrong?
You have a right to reply. You can reply.
I'm asking him. You have replied for me. You have replied for me saying it's wrong.
Yeah, so you.
Thank you very much. You replied for me. I get up here to raise issues on the basis of what I think is right or wrong.
Yeah.
So if the minister has the right, I also have the right.
Yeah, certainly.
So, and he has the right to reply to that. And there was one ruling.
You have the right to reply.
You have not given one ruling. And another point. You have said.
I am not giving a ruling because I don't want to be in more trouble.
No, more trouble. Sir, earlier you had said any notice moved by any member of the House will go to the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. Yes, that's the job of the chair to refer it to the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. On the basis of their opinion, you will decide. But does that motion
on the basis of their opinion also?
Also, obviously. Their opinion also, based on their opinion also. But does that motion become public property of the House till the chair gives the ruling?
No, it will not.
It will not?
It will not.
Now, before that, how did the leader of the House parade a motion saying that? And then he called me. No, sir. But my point is, he called me rules illiterate.
No, leader.
And that I should apologize. Tell me, who is
the
illiterate?
motion, see,
Sir, from my knowledge of the rules and my limited experience in the House, I grant more experience to everybody else, but limited experience in the House, I move a motion. You refer it to the Minister for Parliament, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. You take their opinion. On that basis, you give the ruling.
But there is joint responsibility, so the other he is also a minister. He
please
can
bear
get
with me. 1 minute. Please bear 1 minute. Now, I have given you a motion. You have not ruled or accepted or rejected it. It has gone to the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Before you could give a ruling, accepting or rejecting, how can that motion, letter of mine, be made public in the House by the leader of the House? When I raised that objection, it was his letter, Mr. Anand Shah. I raised that objection. You have not ruled on it. But then I was charged. I was charged by saying I am illiterate of the rules.
But once you give a letter.
No, I want to know from you. Am I literate or illiterate?
Okay, all right.
Sir, no, literate or illiterate of the rules. Of the rules.
Okay, now.
So you tell me, sir, if I am illiterate, I learn.
He will explain. Leader of the House want to say. Yeah. Leader of the House want to say something.
Sir, may I draw through you, Mr. Yachuri's attention to Rule 224. Rule 224. Rule 224 says, the Secretary General shall make every effort to circulate to each member a copy of every notice or other paper which is by these rules required to be made available for the use of such members. Now, when a motion is moved for suspension of question hours, as in pursuance of this rule, a copy from the Secretary General comes to the government. That motion is allowed to be raised at 11 a.m. in the morning. Now, the first question which was raised by Mr. Yachuri was that the fact that this motion and a copy of it has reached the government is some impropriety committed by the Secretariat. Please now let me have a say. Mr. Yachuri, let me have a say since the chair is conducting the House.
Let him complete.
Now, the first allegation made was that how does this copy become available with the government? We tried to point out that there is perhaps an ignorance of Rule 224 in this. A copy is conventionally always made available to the government. So a second question is raised, even though the issue is being raised in the House at 11 a.m., the motion which is being agitated in the House is supposed to be kept a secret. Now, I don't find anything in these rules which keeps it a secret. This is debated, it is televised, it is available to all, and the motion can be made available to each member. In fact, the Secretary General has to make an effort not only to give it to the government, but to each member. And therefore, to say it being made available and it becoming public is therefore violation of the rules, I don't think is a correct interpretation of these rules.
It is his issue.
Sir, please permit me. I am reading the same rule that Honorable Leader of the House has read, 224. It says the Secretary General shall make every effort to circulate each member a copy of every notice or other paper which by these rules required to be made available for the use of the members. The motion that was moved was for the suspension of the question hour to 267 in order to raise that. 267. Here says, sir, that it is a motion on which the chair has to rule. Before ruling of the chair, no 267 will be accepted. Am I right? You have been the chair. Now, before you gave your ruling, you consult. You consult the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. But I did not object to the fact, how did the government know? Of course they'll know. Any government of the day will know. But can the government or any of its spokesmen, and particularly leader of the House, make it a public knowledge in the House by showing it? No, sir, that is impropriety.
Please, it's simple English. Use of the member, when it is given to me for use by every member, I have to then get up at 11 o'clock and say the motion should not be admitted. Use of the member is not that I keep it a secret document. Use by a member is I argue on the basis of that motion and say the motion should not be admitted. Now, use means keep secret. This is the first. This is violence to the English language.
It is given to the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs as the for the Ministry's opinion. It is not given to each and every member. And once that opinion comes,
it is agitated in the House. Mr. Anand Sharma or Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad get up and say the motion should be admitted. The government says it should not be admitted. That is when we are using that paper.
I have a point to make. What the Leader of the House has said, sir, Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir. What Sitaram Yechury ji is referring to, I am also of the same view, and I have no difficulty to agree with the Leader of the House that government gets a copy. That is not an issue. I want your ruling on a limited issue. Because the motion, what he is referring to, what was picked up and read by the Leader of the House, and the records will confirm that, was my motion that day. Can the Leader of the House selectively read the motion of a member before the member has spoken a word or moved the motion? That's my question.
Sir, I have final point, sir. The point is not about the allegation. When the foreign minister, she was asked by the Leader of the House to speak on it, which become a part of it, and which has gone outside in the media without you even being known. That is the issue. Issue is not allegation. Issue is not. That issue is to be settled. That is the point. The point is not about the allegation about her. You have to see to it before it become a part of the proceedings of this House.
Okay,
That should go outside.
Now, please.
Rule 267.
As a full statement
For the
of her.
benefit of the Leader of the House, I am reading Rule 267. And that was the motion moved under Rule 267. And the motion and the rule says, any member may, with the consent of the chairman, move any rule may be suspended in its application to a motion related to the business listed before the council of that day, and if the motion is carried, the rule in question shall be suspended for the time being. Now, sir, the crucial point is any member may, with the consent of the chairman. The chairman has not given the consent. Before that, can the fact that I moved under this rule a motion for your consideration, on which you have not ruled yet, can that be made public in the House? You have not given a ruling. In my opinion, it cannot be. It is wrong.
Sir,
and it is a breach. It is a breach for making it public.
Please. Okay, ma'am.
Sir, if the interpretation being given by Mr. Yachuri is to be accepted, the object of giving an advance copy to each member would be defeated, because his interpretation is he gives a notice under 267. The notice advance copy is to be given to all members, but members cannot use it. So he wants the word use to be interpreted as non-use. The moment you refer to it in the House, you are using it. And therefore, before admitting a motion, you have to hear all the members whether the motion should be admitted or not. The moment he refers to a motion, it's a user of the motion. So to say that interpret the word use as non-use, I think is violence to the language of 224.
Okay. That's all. Now, that's enough.
I heard always. Sir,
I heard both sides.
No, please listen.
I heard you.
What
Yachuri, I heard you.
What the leader of the House saying is correct, but
use.
it will be made available.
How and when to use?
Sir, it will be made available to every member only when you meaning the chair, gives the permission to raise that. And when you have not given the permission, how can it be shared with every member?
No, I have to examine that.
No, tell me, sir. Tell me. I want an answer. How can it be shared?
I will give the ruling.
When, sir? 1 week is already gone.
No. You have raised this as a point of order now. So now, give me time. Yes.
So, but
I understood your point.
Sir, I don't want to be alleged again. I don't want to be alleged again
yes.
that I have raised this point of order for TV opportunity.
You will not have to wait again. I will give the ruling.
I don't.
No, Mr. Derek O'Brien. Derek, I allowed him earlier. I told him. I will allow you also. Yes. Finish. I heard you. Now you, Derek.
Sir,
you can enlighten me.
I need
you can enlighten me on this.
No. I'm on a different point. I need your ruling on something, sir.
Not on this.
When from the officials' gallery, some paper, books has to be passed on to the ministers is understandable. I want your simple ruling. 1 minute. Can it be passed on directly to the ministers or should it come through the marshals is my simple question to you, sir. Will you please clarify that point?
There is a convention for that.
What is the convention?
That convention will be followed, I hope.
What is the convention, sir?
If it is violated, it will be followed hereafter.
It is being violated every minute. I'm only requesting you to clarify.
Okay.
Let it come through the marshals, otherwise it's becoming passing the parcel.
I think the convention should be followed.
No, sir.
I think the convention should be followed.
What is the convention?
I heard you.
I'm passing it around.
No, I heard you, Yachuri. No, I heard you.
Being violent, the word used, violent to the language used in the rules. Well, violence of English language, sir. One more allegation.
What is that?
I do all this to get TV opportunities. That I raise.
I am not a master of English to judge it.
I am being violent to English language.
Violent on the language.
Sir, what is this, sir? You are making a charge that we are violent.
Okay, Tyagi. What is? I will call you. Tyagi. Yes, Tyagi.
Sir.
Mr. Tyagi.
सर, डॉक्टर लोहिया इस अंग्रेजी के इसलिए भी खिलाफ थे कि सदन के अंदर भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है ऑन द पॉइंट ऑफ द लैंग्वेज. जो अंग्रेजी में अच्छे पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर उठाते हैं उनको तरजीह दी जाती है, जो हिंदी में उठाते हैं उनकी उपेक्षा की जाती है. मैं डॉक्टर लोहिया का एक शिष्य होने के नाते अपनी आवाज उठाना चाहता हूं सर. पिछले सप्ताह, और मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं कि थोड़ी देर के लिए आप हाउस को ऑर्डर में लाए हैं. मैं
यही सब्जेक्ट पर, यही मामला पर, दूसरी मामला
और कई और साथी. सर, एक लिखित जब प्रश्न का जवाब कोई मंत्री देता है तो मैं मान के चलता हूं, सदन मान के चलता, और आपने खुद कहा एक दिन चेयर पे बैठे हुए कि यह आशा की जाती है कि मंत्री का सबसे कठिन दौर होता है जब लिखित प्रश्न आते हैं, जो आजकल कैजुअलिटी है. लेकिन सर, एक मंत्री महोदय ने जो जवाब दिया वो इतना इनसेंसिटिव था कि एक किसान पुत्र होने के नाते और किसान होने के नाते इससे मेरी कम्युनिटी की, मेरी क्लास की, जिसके लिए मैं बहुत कॉन्शियस हूं, उसकी सेंसिबिलिटीज हर्ट हुई है। किसानों को नपुंसक कहना, किसानों को कहना कि प्रेम प्रसंग में इन्होंने हत्याएं की है, सर ये बहुत ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्शनेबल है। मैं, नरेश अग्रवाल जी, सीताराम येचुरी जी, हम सब लोगों ने इस पर सवाल उठाए और सर मैंने आपको प्रिविलेज का नोटिस दिया 187 के तहत। उस मंत्री को यहाँ बुलाया जाए, उससे पूछा जाए कि जो गरीब किसान गरीबी की वजह से आत्महत्याएं कर रहे हैं उनके लिए ऐसे इंसेंसिटिव शब्द क्यों इस्तेमाल किए गए।
ओके
नरेश जी,
Okay. All right, Naresh Agarwal. What is Naresh Agarwal?
नरेश जी
I will give a ruling.
अब हिंदी बोलने वालों का समय आया है,
इसलिए
एक शुरू हुए हैं। नहीं,
आप दोनों बात कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, माननीय सभापति जी,
One of you speak.
नहीं,
One of you speak.
मैं भी पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर,
आपने किसको बोला है सर वो
मैं भी
बताइए।
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर उठा रहा हूँ।
नरेश जी को बोला। नरेश
नहीं, माननीय सभापति,
नरेश जी,
अरे मैं भी कोई बात तो कहना चाहता हूँ।
येचुरी जी, नरेश जी, आया। ओके,
अब आपने हमें
I'll call you.
आपने हमको कॉल किया।
नरेश जी,
किसी आपने
येचुरी जी, नरेश जी, I call. Okay, that's fine. नरेश जी,
मुझे आपने
क्या है, बोलिए।
अब ये पार्ट
आप बोलिए।
ये हाउस का पार्ट होगा कि नहीं जो ये चुनी
आप बोलिए। नरेश जी बोलिए।
आपको क्यों चिंता है भाई?
नरेश जी बोलिए।
माननीय सभापति जी, कोई माननीय मंत्री।
No, please, let me listen. Naresh Agarwal having the floor. Naresh Agarwal having the floor.
आनंद,
All others assume the seat. Naresh Agarwal having the floor.
नियमावली में
नरेश अग्रवाल।
नियमावली में नियम है कि प्रश्नों का उत्तर किस रीत से दिया जाएगा। श्रीमान, अगर उस रीत
Naresh, I have allowed Naresh Agarwal. चतुर्वेदी जी बैठिए। I allowed Naresh Agarwal. चतुर्वेदी बैठिए। I allowed Naresh Agarwal.
अरे इससे क्या हुआ?
I allowed Naresh Agarwal. Mr. Chaturvedi, sit down.
आप बोलिए।
किसान से
Mr. Chaturvedi, sit down.
किसान से जुड़ा अगर कोई प्रश्न पूछा गया और कोई मंत्री ने गैर जिम्मेदाराना उत्तर दिया, वो सदन की कॉपी हो गई, तो श्रीमान का हमारा अधिकार नहीं बनेगा उस मंत्री के खिलाफ पूछने। एक कृषि मंत्री ने जिस तरह गैर जिम्मेदाराना बयान दिया, क्या वो मंत्री को बुला के सदन में मंत्री माफी नहीं मांगेगा? श्रीमान, देश के किसानों का सवाल है। हम लोग रोज किसानों की बात करते हैं, हर आदमी कहता 70% किसान रहता देश। क्या हमारे देश
He has given.
तो उसको
नरेश जी, केसी त्यागी जी has K.C. Tyagi ji has given notice. I believe that is no. आप भी दिया है।
आज मेरी भी नोटिस
आप भी दिया है जो तो that is under consideration of the chairman. I believe चेयरमैन के कंसिडरेशन में है। हाँ, चेयरमैन देखेंगे।
हमारी भी नोटिस है उस पे।
हाँ, अभी आप बैठिए।
आप रूलिंग दे दीजिए उस पे।
अभी आप चेयरमैन देंगे। वही बोला, नोटिस चेयरमैन के कंसिडरेशन में है। It is under the consideration of the chairman. Now, please, why you are standing? How many times you want to get up? No. How many times you want to get up? Sir, how many times you want to get up?
Because I have not finished. Listen,
Okay.
what the leader of the house said and what was submitted
No, that
in the
I will
house.
decide now.
Please read 242 with me.
I know.
Read 242. Let me read it. Let me read it before you give the ruling. 242, order of speeches and right of reply. 1. After the member who moves a motion has spoken, other members may speak to the motion in such order as the chairman may call upon them. If any member who is called upon does not speak, he shall not be entitled, except with the permission of the chairman. Number 2, except in the exercise of a right of reply or as otherwise provided by these rules, no member shall speak more than once on any motion. That's true. So the 2421, that the mover of the motion has neither moved nor spoken, can that motion be selectively misread? That's what the ruling we want.
No. On this subject, I don't want to hear any more. I heard both sides. Why on this subject? I heard enough. I heard your point of order. All of you are Pramod. But then you ask your member to sit. Mr. Mistry, I heard your point of order. I gave my reaction to that.
I want your ruling. You
Okay.
didn't give it. The discussion is deviated.
All right.
No point of order.
Sir, now you permitted me.
On what subject?
Let me say.
I already said. Why do you? No, that is, see, what is appearing in the media, if it is not said. No, then, no.
Said the minister has made a statement in the House.
I already said no
Please,
statement
sir,
made.
please, sir. I asked you.
I have already said.
requested the chair that.
Why do you want me to say
No,
it
sir.
again?
I requested it through you. Sir, sir, please, by submission, you have not
No,
responded.
I
to.
have already
No,
said
you have
it.
not, sir. That because it was the statement was not made, the secretariat will give an advisory to the media. This was not a statement.
No.
That's what I'm saying.
No, see, no, I will call you. Let me reply to him. See, the point is, I have already made it very clear that there was no request for a statement. There was no notice for a statement. No permission was given for a statement. But I also said, if the minister, no please, what, listen to me. But if the minister has responded to, it is both. It is yes. No, I have to say both. I have to say both sides. Sit down. I have to be correct to myself. Sit down. No, listen down. Sit down. Who are you to say? Sit down. Now, see, but if the minister has said something in response to the allegation made in this house this morning in the form of a motion by Sri Anand Sharma or any other member, if he has made a response, there is nothing wrong about it. Nothing wrong about it. But no statement was permitted. No statement was permitted. Now, media, see, I will say, media will take note. See, media will take note to the fact that no statement was allowed to be made. No statement was made. But the response to the allegation is in order. There is no harm in that. No, please. Now, okay. Now I will give ruling for you. I want you to give ruling for your question. I gave the ruling. No. So what? I made it very clear. I will have to adjourn the house. No other way. At least no resignation. So now. You mean come to me. You have to come to me after this. House stands adjourned. till 11 a.m. on Tuesday, the 4th of August 2015. Till tomorrow 11 a.m.